Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to the recap of the trade of the day. Today I took two trades. I literally went against the market structure. One was break even and the other one was a TP. Basically here you guys can see how much money I made. 8,500 on all the accounts. And so let's go right into it. So first of all, you guys can see that we're bullish. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. So I was looking for buys in the morning, but then I saw market literally taking the liquidity of the swing here of the daily. So I literally decided to start looking for a counter trend. So with that liquidity, being taken, I started looking for sales. So I went to the 5 minutes here, and literally you guys can see we grabbed liquidity from the swing. So in order for me to take this setup, I need to wait for the market to give me some kind of confirmation that it's going down. So I need to see a break. So I wait for a break in my favor. So you guys can see here, I'm waiting. Okay, here I have a break right here. You guys can see we have a break of a structure internally here. So that's a break. That's what I need. So once I have that break, I mark up basically my liquidity of the swing of the 5 minutes, and literally just waiting for the market now to grab liquidity. So let's see what happens. So market continue going down. Now I have another liquidity here, which is gonna be this one here, and then this 5 minutes order block right here. So I'm waiting for the market to grab the liquidity. So grab liquidity, tap into the order block. That's what I need. And now I'm just looking for the market to break below here for me to get in. So I'm looking here for EC 1 or 2 here. So I'm doing 100 pips. Okay. And I'm going for a TP2 here. So that was the first trade, which was break even. Okay. So I get in here once market start breaking through. And here you guys can see I get to 101. I'll put myself from break even on this one. Boom. And market stopped me out break even with the next candle. Okay, that's fine. Just okay. I'm still looking for sales here. I know the setup is good. So I'm looking for another chance. At that point here, I have a 15 minutes order block right here. This one. So I'm using this one now. I go to the 5 minutes here. And I basically wait for all the steps back again. So I wait for the market to give me another lower high to grab the liquidity here. It grabbed the liquidity, tap the 15 minutes order block right here, and I just start looking for a possible setup here. So I'm waiting for that. Okay, do another level. It didn't break through, so I'm moving my entry now to the new one, which is gonna be this one right here. Now looking for, like I said, another trade. This time I just did 70 pips because I didn't need the whole 100 pips. So I was looking for something like this, 70 pips. And in this case, market breaks through. I get in. The market start, playing a little bit here, and then boom, just drop. So here I just closed my trade somewhere here. 101, something like that, just because of the time. It was already 1 p.m. I just traded all the way up to sometimes 1 p.m. So I was basically trading out of the time that I can trade. So I decided to close a TP1 here, and that was the trade for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.